So you're thinking about moving to Gulf Shores, Alabama? Well, today we got a special treat for you. We're going to walk through a house that is listed in Gulf Shores, Alabama, right in the heart of everything. When I tell you location, 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 I mean this thing's in the heart of everything. Stick around to the end of this. You're not going to believe the back area, where it's got a little seating area in the back. You don't want to miss that. So let's get to it right now. Hey guys, if this is your first time to the channel, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, ring that little bell so you can be one of the first ones to learn everything there is to learn about what it's like to actually live in Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, any of the surrounding areas, the beach life. My name is Andy Hollis, along with my partner Aileen Fountain and our entire team. We do videos just like this every single week just to be informative, just to let you know what it's like to actually live here. So whether it's 9 days, 9 weeks, 9 months, 9 years before you're thinking about making your move to our little slice of paradise, just reach out to us, pick up the phone, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We get phone calls, texts, and emails from people just like you every single day, and we absolutely love it. So as I mentioned, today we're going to walk you through this nice little house in the Grove in Craft Farms. You can see it right here behind me, and I say little house, it's not a little house. It's about 2,200 square feet. It's listed at $575 grand. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a seating area in the back that you do not want to miss. It's amazing, amazing house. One other thing about this house, guys, this is listed by Lisa Griffin. She's with Signature Properties. Lisa's a friend of ours, really good agent. But there's also a house for sale right next door. The house right next door is for sale. It's the same dimensions. It is the same price, believe it or not. So you got choices in this little neighborhood, which is amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and walk you through this house, show you everything you get with it, and then tell you about the location, because the location is really unbelievable. So stick around to the end. Let's get to it.
Turn off 59, head east a little while. County Road 4 and that coastal mile. Then Live Oak Circle where the palms sway slow. Front porch breeze where the good times grow. Brand new place built.
All right, guys, let's go inside and check it out. All right, coming on in the front door. You notice you got that plank flooring that I love. I like the color of this too. This is awesome. And then right off to your left here, you got these big double French doors. And then right over here, same thing. And this is a nice little sitting area that you could easily turn into an office. I mean, it's not technically another bedroom. I guess you could put a bed in here, but you don't have a closet, so that's why. And then you come on into the living room, and you got a nice fireplace there. And that's a gas fireplace. Nice TV hanging up there. Big high ceilings. That kitchen's amazing. We'll go in there in just a moment. But as you come in the front door, that's what the front door area looks like. And then coming right off to the right, you've got your first of 2 bedrooms on this side. And they got this set up as a kid's room. There's a nice sized closet there. And this is a doorway into the Jack and Jill bathroom, which you have double vanities there. And a nice tub and shower insert there, like usual. It's got the tile on the back and the toilet, of course. And then we go straight on into the second bedroom. Identical closet there. And these rooms do have carpet in them, but that's not a big deal because you're close enough to the beach, but you're not so close that you'll get sand in here. You shouldn't. And then this is a nice little linen closet here. And then let's go back out into the living room area. Nice big open floor plan. These are quartz countertops on this kitchen here. And you have a nice little dining area sitting there. And I like that brick accented wall there. Really nice. Cabinetry is all nice. I mean, this house is basically pretty brand new. And then you've got the gas stove there with the hood. And nice stainless steel appliances and more storage in your dishwasher there. Big deep sink. Let's go check out the primary. So as you walk down the hallway here, you've got a half bath there. Be nice for your guests, so they don't have to go in and use one of your restrooms you use all the time. And then come here, this is the primary suite, and it's a big room. A lot of light in here. Got a lot of room in here. That is a king size bed, and there is plenty of room on either side of this bed here. Huge ceiling, tray ceiling. And then we come on into the primary bath. And you do have double sinks here on this vanity. And the important part is, look how far apart they are. So that way you have plenty of room for all his and her junk. And then nice walk-in shower. Super nice there. And then of course you have your little toilet area. And it does have a separate door, which I like, to be able to shut it off. And then here is the primary closet. This thing is huge. I mean, look at all this. Just big, tall ceilings. I mean, super nice. A lot of room in here. I love these floors. Coming on out, and we'll come back into the hallway headed down towards the, there's a nice storage closet there. This is headed towards the garage. But here you have, for your washer and dryer, you have a washroom, and look at the storage in here. This is incredible. So a lot of room in here to put up a lot of stuff. You know, so you don't have clutter all over the place. And then coming out here, this is where your garage is. And it's a nice big 2-car garage. And you do have access to the attic there on the pull down. There's your water heater there. And there's a TV here already mounted. So a lot of room in here. Let's go back out and check out the best part of this house, in my opinion, which is the seating area outside. This is incredibly nice. First off, I like these big sliding doors, and it slides really easy. And then when you come out here, you have really nice seating area with ceiling fan there. You've got TV mounted above the fireplace, and check out that fireplace. I mean, just imagine yourself sitting out here on some of our warm summer nights and sharing a glass of wine or whatever your favorite beverage is. But check it out. Really super nice. And this is all screened in, so you don't have to worry about bugs. So you can enjoy the outside without actually being outside. And then check out across there, there's the golf course. So the golf course is really close, but not close enough where you won't have people hitting golf balls into your house unless somebody's playing like me and can't play. So let's go back in. And we'll head outside and then I will tell you more about this house. Okay guys, so let me tell you a little bit about this house. So basically this house it was built in 2023. So when I say it's basically a brand new house, it is, it's not that old. It is listed at $575 grand. It's 2,197 square feet. It is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, but you have a bonus room that I showed you, you know, that you could easily turn into an office, or you could technically put a bed in there. You just can't call it a bedroom because it doesn't have a closet. So anyway, super, super, super nice house. Unbelievable location. I mean, this thing is just, you could literally walk up to Target, Publix. On the way here, we just saw a guy riding his bike with all of his groceries in a basket on the back. I mean, literally, it's that close. So, I mean, everything is right here. There's a trail that goes right here behind the house that will actually lead you right over to the golf course. So this would be perfect for somebody who is, you know, looking to move here, whether it's your second home or whether it's going to be your primary home. And if you want to come over here and play golf every day, this is ideal. Plus, you're right in the middle of everything. I mean, you've got the Intercoastal Waterway boat launch right down the road here. This is basically County Road 4 that you're on. And then go out to the end of County Road 4, hang a left, and you're right across the bridge. You got Lulu's right there before you go across the bridge. But as soon as you go across the bridge, you're like, I mean, it's literally 5 minutes to the beach. So you get the world of living at the beach without living at the beach, you know, so you don't have all the whole renters to deal with, you know, and plus it doesn't have that $1.5 million price tag. So this is a fantastic house in a great little area. It's in Craft Farms, which if you know anything about Gulf Shores, you know Craft Farms stands for itself as far as the name goes. So unbelievable house, unbelievable location. We hope you enjoyed this video today. Be sure and watch some of our other videos. And until next time, we hope to see you around town.
I get flip-flops and your shades that tip the sand. Where the Gulf breeze blows, it's a wonderland. Orange Beach living, oh it feels so right. From sun